Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to understand Baidu Maps in English. First, you need to know something important. Baidu Maps does not have an official option to change the language to English. There is also no built-in translation feature inside the app. Start by opening the Baidu Maps app on your phone. Go to the screen you want to understand. This can be the map view, directions, or place details. Once the screen is ready, take a screenshot. Most phones allow you to do this by pressing the power button and the volume down button at the same time. After taking the screenshot, close Baidu Maps. Now open the Google Lens on your phone. Inside Google Lens, find the option that lets you view saved images or access your image list. From this list, select the screenshot you just took from Baidu Maps. Once the image is open, look for the Translate option. Tap on Translate. Google will automatically detect that the text is in Chinese. After a short moment, the text on the image will change to English. The translated text will appear directly on the image. Whenever you see a new screen in Baidu Maps that you do not understand, you can repeat this process. Thanks for watching.